Up top, long range shot. The rebound comes, and the battle for the ball on the board. Hunt setting the screen. Maguire with the shot. There is no finding the way. Oh. 23-16 NHD. Almost feeling it now. In the third quarter now, Jamaica versus Puerto Rico. Div-1 men to World Cup qualifier. 67. 74-67 on the inside the third quarter. We're also inside the third quarter here. And the second half, if you will. Canada and Bahamas next March. Here is NHD. Eventually tonight we'll put Jamaica on top of his own. Oh, lovely shot. On top of that. Oh. 25-22 and NHD feeling it now. White. Set on point. Is in the house. There's a good trick on the shooting. Oh! Ladies and gentlemen, it's not over.
The aim is to, as much as we can, control the boards, score as early as possible, and just keep the momentum going.
And it's clear that this team has what it takes to come back, right? Because they brought it, I cut it down, I think, to about 3, 4, 5 points. Your thoughts on, clearly you'll be looking out for that, right?
I think the last 4 games that we've played, we've gone into halftime behind. It's the first time in the last 5 games that we've played at halftime. And I think this gives some motivation to the team. With Coach Ron Robinson not being here, I think the team understood the assignment tonight. And again, it's a fighting spirit from Jamaica. You know how to fight and you know how to win. And that's all.
Well, from the start, we were kind of short-handed, to be honest. But our resilient spirit, we decided to, fight and try and play hard and try and play through. And in the game, a whole heap of little things happen and so forth. But the spirit of NHC is we're going to fight all through and play all through the game.